If this video gets 10 million views about finance, self-development, and business, yet we all need to learn about these things, because nobody really taught us that at school. So when you look at my videos about habits, money habits, passive income, all these are really valuable information. If you think really that 10 million views, which this video is going to get in the near future, is a lot, consider that YouTube on its own actually has currently around 3 billion monthly searches. So you have 3 billion people, 3 billion people coming to this platform and searching monthly for information. Information is obviously available to them for free. So this video is about to get 10 million views. Considering 3 billion people visiting the platform, 10 million views for this video can be easily done. Now, apart from this video, you have a lot of helpful videos about personal finance, so get right into those. So you can actually increase your financial literacy. Trust me, you're not doing that for anyone else. You're not doing that for your mom, your dad. You do it for yourself. So next time you skip one of the videos about life and money habits, think about it. You're investing in your own future. So learn about personal finance, because that's the greatest investment. If this video gets 10 million views,